This video is about how to pronounce the phoneme r. So you can hear this phoneme in words like road, run, rabbit, and remember. This sound will always be followed by a vowel. So a, e, o, u, ah, etc. For example, road, rabbit. So the way to make this sound is to make sure that your tongue doesn't touch anything in your mouth. So not your teeth, not the back of your mouth, not the top of your mouth, nothing. And your tongue needs to be slightly back. So like this. And then what you need to do, what I recommend is to put your teeth together like this. So very softly put your teeth together like So if you're going to say road, you would say road, 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 road. So for example, try saying this sentence. Richard rarely runs in the road. Can you say this sound? How easy is it for you? Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please feel free to sign up for more of my videos if you like this. Thank you for watching.